This sleep journey is offered by Selenia. Create your own fully personalized session in the app. Welcome. In this tranquil moment, you can gently settle yourself, allowing your body to find its most comfortable embrace, perhaps noticing the soft give of the surface beneath you, as if it were a yielding cloud, perfectly molded to the curves of your unique form. There is nowhere to be, nothing to do, simply an invitation to soften, to truly arrive in this space, held and quiet. Imagine now with me, if it feels right, that you are resting within a truly special place, a cozy treehouse, nestled high amongst the ancient, watchful giants of a silent forest. The walls around you are made of clear, soft glass, allowing the velvety twilight to unfurl itself all around you, and the vast, gentle canopy of leaves and branches to softly sway just beyond your comfortable sphere of warmth. You are wrapped in the deepest, softest blanket, like a tender cocoon, the fibers perhaps brushing your skin with the faintest whisper of comfort, inviting every inch of you to relax and simply be. Above you and around you, a very gentle, quiet rain is beginning its delicate song. It is not a harsh, driving rain, but rather a rhythmic, almost meditative patter, soft as a lover's breath against the window panes, and a continuous, muffled drumbeat upon the roof above. You might become aware of this gentle tapping, a quiet conversation between the rain and your tranquil haven, creating an ethereal soundscape that begins to lull and soothe, easing you deeper, effortlessly, as you recline in this soft nest high among the branches. Perhaps you can feel the subtle, almost imperceptible sway of the treehouse itself, a very tender, cradling motion, as if the whole world around you were gently rocking you with exquisite care. This is a secure and secret place, elevated from all the concerns of the world below, a sanctuary woven from the very essence of quiet and protection. Notice how the distant, murmurous rumble of thunder, deep in the far reaches of the sky, seems only to emphasize the closeness, the safety of your immediate surroundings. It's like a quiet, comforting sigh from the world itself, reassuring, drawing you further inward into profound peace. Let's begin this journey of serene descent together by simply noticing the gentle tide of your own breath, without effort, without change, just an awareness of the soft air entering your body, expanding you with calm, and then effortlessly releasing, taking with it any lingering tensions, any tiny, unnecessary holdings. Perhaps you feel a coolness as the breath enters, and a whisper of warmth as it leaves, or simply the gentle rise and fall of your chest, or abdomen, or even just a subtle ripple throughout your entire being. Allow each breath to be a little deeper, a little slower, completely natural, a gentle, undulating current carrying you softly on its wave into deeper realms of ease. As this quiet rhythm settles within you, let your awareness drift upwards now, if it feels comfortable, to the very top of your head. Imagine that part of your being is becoming incredibly soft, as if dissolving into the very essence of twilight, loosening any tiny points of subtle tension there at your temples, across your forehead, releasing it all, flowing down. Feel this wave of tender surrender begin to ripple downwards, slowly, languidly, like warm honey, descending. Perhaps a pleasant lightness gathers around your eyes, your eyelids feeling wonderfully soft and heavy, perhaps a little weighted, a natural expression of deeper release. They can remain gently closed, cradled by a soothing sense of calm. Allow the muscles around your eyes to relax, melting into utter stillness. Let that gentle wave continue, dissolving any unnecessary lines or expressions from around your mouth, your jaw, feeling your tongue softly settling within your mouth, utterly relaxed, as if floating gently. The air inside the treehouse feels impossibly soft, carrying the clean, fresh scent of rain on ancient earth, of damp leaves, and warm comforting aroma, deeply grounding even as you float suspended amongst the trees, each raindrop tracing its glistening path down the glass walls seems to carry with it any stray thoughts, any small disturbances, gently cleansing the very air around you and within you as you sink more deeply into your comfortable embrace. Imagine that this softness, this warmth, this profound sense of surrender begins to permeate your entire neck and shoulders. Allow any burden they might have been carrying, any subtle resistance, to simply melt away now, flowing downwards like the soft rain on the window panes, just dissolving into the quietness below. Perhaps you can almost feel your shoulders broaden, gently releasing, sinking heavily into the support beneath them, surrendering fully, utterly. Now allow that exquisite wave of relaxation to slowly unfurl, cascading gently down through your arms, past your elbows, along your forearms, moving all the way into your wrists, your hands, each finger becoming softer, looser, perhaps feeling a pleasant heaviness, a wonderful lightness, or a gentle warmth, as if each cell is breathing out a silent sigh of profound relief. You might notice the delicate, ethereal glow of the soft lantern light within the treehouse, casting warm, liquid shadows that dance and sway with the gentle breath of the rain outside, making everything within feel safe, enclosed, and profoundly restful. This gentle, luminous warmth seems to extend into your very core, deepening this quiet settling as you surrender further and further still. The tranquil rain continues its delicate patter, a rhythmic lullaby murmuring on the glass, a continuous symphony of peaceful sound. You are held within its gentle presence, wrapped in its tender melody, sinking ever more deeply into the luxurious comfort of your surroundings. Now, allow this soft, yielding stillness to gather itself within your chest, expanding gently with each peaceful breath, softening the spaces around your heart, releasing any constrictions there, just allowing them to melt away like soft mists on the forest floor. And from your chest, this profound relaxation drifts languidly downwards into your abdomen, inviting every organ, every subtle layer of tissue to simply relax, to soften, to surrender, to rest. A deep sense of quiet comfort gathers here, a beautiful spaciousness, allowing everything to settle, to release, to unfurl into profound serenity. And as you rest in this quiet stillness, surrounded by the comforting tapestry of the rain, the forest, and the subtle, gentle breath of the treehouse, allow your mind to follow this path of effortless relaxation. Thoughts may arrive like leaves carried on a soft, passing breeze. There is no need to grasp them, no need to engage. Simply notice them if they appear and allow them to drift onwards like raindrops coalescing and flowing down the glass, disappearing as gently as they arrived, each one washing away, leaving behind an even greater clarity, an even deeper sense of inner quiet, a vast, shimmering peacefulness. Imagine now, if you will, the profound sense of ease as this beautiful current of tranquility continues its downward journey through your hips, gently relaxing the broad muscles of your upper legs, past your knees, along your calves, into your ankles, and finally settling with complete softness into your feet. Each delicate bone, each toe, relaxing, letting go, releasing every last fragment of unnecessary tension, as if your entire being is dissolving, melting, softening into the deepest, most wonderful sensation of complete release. There's a certain weight to this profound relaxation, a comfortable anchoring, and yet, paradoxically, a sense of immense lightness, as if your entire body is effortlessly suspended, cradled between the soft earth far below and the velvet sky far above, held tenderly in the arms of this wise and ancient forest. You are just floating, softly held, utterly secure, as the rain continues its hushed melody on the glass, you might become aware of the quiet breath of the treehouse itself, a very gentle creak of wood, a subtle settling, or the almost imperceptible sway, responding to the soft breath of the wind through the leaves outside. These sounds do not disturb, but rather they seem to become part of your journey into deep relaxation, weaving themselves into the very fabric of your quietude, confirming your absolute safety within this suspended sanctuary. Each subtle movement, each faint sound serves only to lull you more profoundly into an ever-deepening sense of quietude and peaceful surrender. This is your personal haven, your cocoon of calm, gently disconnected from all the edges and demands of the outer world, dissolving them into soft mists. Allow yourself to simply drift now within this deep and timeless calm, the gentle, incessant murmur of the rain. It transforms into a cascade of soft, luminous pearls, each one falling softly, silently, dissolving any residual worries, washing away any faint echoes of the day, leaving behind only pristine silence. Imagine each drop that caresses the glass dissolving into a warm, nourishing current, flowing down through the very fibers of the earth beneath the treehouse, sinking deeply, carrying with it any last, fleeting resistance, until there is only vast, expansive ease. You are simply suspended here, a part of this serene unfolding. Perhaps you might feel as though your very edges are softening, blurring, blending with the velvet air of the treehouse, merging with the gentle hush of the rain. There is no longer a distinct separation between your calm interior and the serene world outside your glass walls. It all flows together, an oceanic calm, the soft lantern light within casts long, yielding shadows that dance and merge with the ethereal light of dusk just beyond the glass, and you are simply held within this merging, this blurring of all lines, just as the mist outside softens the distant shapes of the trees, turning the world into into a series of dreamlike, undulating forms, so too can any lingering thoughts within your mind soften, lose their crisp edges, their urgent definition, simply transforming into soft, drifting wisps, carried away by the gentle currents of this stillness. You don't need to engage with them, or follow them, or even notice them in detail. They are simply part of the flow, dissolving into the gentle, cleansing presence of the rain, as if washed clean. This mist that gathers around the treehouse, it is not opaque or chilling, but a soft, warm embrace that simply wraps you in layers of tender quiet. Feel this profound quietude expanding around you like a vast, unhurried breath, gentle and continuous. You are becoming part of this softness, part of this profound and enduring stillness. There's no need to hold on, no need to strive, no need to even stay awake in any way. You can simply allow this moment to unfold as it will, with no destination, no urgency, just a gentle drifting. You are safe, exquisitely safe, held in the embrace of the ancient forest, soothed by the quiet melody of the rain, nestled within the comfort of your secret sanctuary. The world outside this glass haven gently fades away now, its colors dissolving into the soft twilight, its sounds murmuring into a silent hum. You are truly here, truly still. Allow your awareness to drift like a single feather on the gentlest breath of air, lighter and lighter, softer and softer, each raindrop on the glass, a tiny moment of absolute surrender, flowing down, merging and disappearing. You are doing nothing, perfectly nothing at all. This stillness is embracing you, supporting you, inviting you to dissolve effortlessly into its vast, beautiful depth. There is nothing left to carry, nowhere left to be, just the soft pulse of quiet within you and around you, an unending lullaby of rain on leaves, on glass, gently, softly, murmuring, you are safe. completely safe, simply floating now on a tide of tender, soft surrender.